In 2022, we all have a list of things we want to achieve with calisthenics. This year I have several, but this calisthenics expert is going to help me achieve them. Some of you guys might know him, and that is Teo from Abnormal Beings, the OG YouTube calisthenics boss. I mean, this guy is a YouTube calisthenics legend. If you don't know who Teo is, where have you been? This guy runs the calisthenics YouTube channel Abnormal Beings that's been absolutely killing it since 2014. He also has countless pieces of knowledge that will help you get the planche this year. Earlier this year, I was discussing with the Abnormal Beings team my goals and how I could achieve them. Now, with the help of Teo, I'm going to be achieving these goals in 2022. My 4 main goals are a Maltese for 3 seconds, a clean floor planche with nice protraction for 5 seconds, clean front lever pull-ups, I'm talking waist to bar touch front lever style, 4 reps. And lastly, I really want to get 1 full planche press. I have other goals as well that aren't pushing and pulling calisthenics movements, for example squats and playing football and stuff, etc, but these are the main calisthenics ones I'm focused on this year.
What's going on, people? Tayo here. Just want to say a big shout out to Jake. He's been smashing his program, absolute beast. But yeah, essentially when it comes to crafting your own program, if you want to really hit your goals, then you need to train specifically for those goals. So you need to ask yourself, what do you actually want from this program? Are your goals realistic as well? That's very important. And if you can, try and break those goals down into very kind of small micro goals. So again, for example, let's say you can do 6 to 8 pull-ups, then you want to kind of set your goal to achieve 10 pull-ups by the end of the month. Okay, so again, that's a very realistic and achievable goal. So you want to make sure that your goals are quite realistic when it comes to crafting your own program. And make sure as well that you're training specifically for those particular goals. So in Jake's case, for example, his goal was the full planche. He also wanted to focus on the Maltese and improve the front lever pull-ups. So again, this is really realistic for Jake because he's already like a really strong calisthenics athlete. If he was someone that could only do, let's say, 5 to 6 pull-ups, then obviously I'd have to tell him, let's look at other easier goals to achieve. For example, the handstand or the L-sit or some easier calisthenic skills, because then they're more realistic. So again, you want to make sure that whatever you pick in terms of your goals are quite realistic to achieve, because in that way as well, if you set yourself a target, you're more likely to hit it and achieve it. And obviously you're going to get that sense of euphoria. You're going to feel good about yourself when you hit those goals. So again, diving deeper into Jake's program, it was a push-pull split based program, and he trained 4 times a week. Again, this is good because when it comes to skill training, you want a lot of practice. If you're trying to improve a skill, you need to practice, guys. So the more practice you can get out of that skill, the better. So in his case, he was training 4 times a week, which is really good, especially for improving his full planche and his Maltese. And again, it's push-pull splits. So again, 2 days he'll be doing push days, and then 2 days he'll be doing pull days. So again, there's a lot of volume you can get in during those sessions. So again, that's key. And then obviously with the sets and reps, we track that throughout the week. And as the week goes on, we want to progressively overload. So what does that mean? Basically, we either want to increase the intensity by either reducing the rest time, increasing the sets, increasing the reps, just anything to kind of make the program more challenging as the weeks go by. The body's a machine, guys, so it adapts very easily. So I think it's key to constantly push it, because that way you're going to see physical adaptations. You're going to see some changes. So essentially, that's how I craft my programs. It was a very brief summary. Again, if you want to learn more, I'm sure Jake can elaborate and go into deeper detail with you guys. But that's just a little bit from my end. Hope you guys enjoyed it and you found this information very valuable. But for now, take care. Pass you on back to Jake.
So guys, we've got loads of new content planned already for 2022, things you haven't seen before on YouTube with calisthenics. For example, my last few videos, I don't think I've ever seen videos like that on YouTube, and you guys seem to love it. So if you love those videos, you're going to absolutely freak out when you see the videos I've got planned for this year, one of which is collaboration with other calisthenics athletes, as you can see on screen. And of course, I'm going to be doing in-person collaborations with Abnormal Beings. But another thing I've got to tell you guys, we're starting this year off with a bang, is we've just got sponsored by Gore Nation. Gore Nation is a brand that I absolutely love, and you know those red wrist wraps I wear in pretty much every video? Yep, these ones, they're Gore Nation as well. So I know you guys are going to love the products that they sell. So guys, if you feel like I've given you value with things you haven't heard before that's helped you with the planche, or maybe I've helped you get a skill and you want to support me, or maybe you just need some cheaper calisthenics gear, then check the description down below. I've got some links to some Gore Nation products that's really going to help you out achieve your calisthenics goals this year in 2022. Wait, hold on, I've got one more thing for you guys, and that's that I've made the Jacked Calisthenics subreddit. This community community page, you can find in the description as well, is going to be a place you guys can ask questions, post videos of your form, ask for tips, and I'm going to be in there every evening helping you guys out, answering questions, you know, posting free content for you guys to help you guys achieve whatever goal it is you want for 2022. And for the first few people that join, I'm going to be DMing them and helping them one-to-one throughout this year to help them with whatever issue it is stopping them from achieving their calisthenics goals. And until next time guys, good luck with your goals.